Okay, it's videoing right now. Watch me make a lie out of it. Let's see if it breaks. So maybe with the chains, maybe it won't break. Then it's too high. He's still doing a bunch of upper wraps. So far it hasn't started necking down yet. You know what? It didn't break at this time and it didn't neck it down, but it stopped. It just stopped on top.